Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I ran two bots today and I want to go ahead and show you what they did. I'm going to do two different videos. We'll show the NQ and then we'll show the ES one that I ran today, and it worked really well. For the most part, every day it does about the same. So we'll go ahead and get into it. Let's talk about this. Is a SpyBot Renko. We made this bot, it's been a while ago. But we run it every day and it does really well. The settings that we have for NQ, we run from 9:30 up until somewhere between 10 and 11 o'clock or so. As you can see, we shut it off here at 11:04 Eastern Time. It did have good trades on past here, so I didn't cherry pick any or nothing like that. It actually kept on making good trades. We had a couple bad trades in here. There's one right there. So if you count, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We got 25 good trades. So that's 25. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You got 11 bad trades. So that will give you a net of 13 trades. And the 13 trades that netted, and this is including your commission, so your profit was 1725.88. And this is the bot we run on the US Open. You can run it on other times, but our settings and everything are based on using on the US Open. It works really well. Really what we try to do is just to come in, we take you know, and try to get our 50% profit. If it keeps on running good and it's trading good, I'll let it run. So 50% profit, which on a NQ would be $1,000 gross on the trade. So we would be looking for a $500 profit. And this one, you can run as many contracts as you want. Whenever I do this on the demo to show people how it works, I always run on one contract and then you can scale up from there. So if you run 10 contracts, it's $17,000 on 10 contracts. So it just depends on what you want to do. For the most part, it does a really good job. The net wins at the end of the day are, we have not had a losing day on it. But what you want to do is you don't want to just run a bot all day long. I mean, as you can see, I could have kept on running, and there was a lot of good trades in here, and it would have netted a lot more than what we actually did. But what you have to do is just look and see your risk reward. Look at what you're willing to give up or so far. We were up 1725 today, so with 1725, that is a lot of money. We're 172% over our trade, which is exceptional. And this was only trading from 9:30 in the morning to 11 o'clock. So we've only got like an hour and a half of trading in this. Again, you can scale this for whatever you want to do. 2 contracts, 4, whichever. And how you get into this is you go up here to go to SpyMoneyLSE.com and go to the Ninja Suite tab up here. When you click on that, it'll open it up and it goes over different things that we do, shows all of the information as far as what comes with it. And the main thing that people want are the bots, the auto trading bots. There's 3 bots that we use every day. All 3 of these do a very good job. And they've got different strategies, different settings, and so forth. I provide all the settings though. And as I find some that make more money, then I'll supply those as well. But all 3 of these, you can run any of these every day and they make money. So that's what you want to do. You just want to make money. With the suite, we give you all the indicators on the website. So anything on there you'll get. And plus you get a lot more that you cannot even purchase on the website. So all of these are only in the Ninja Suite, and once you lease it, you get all these and you can use them ever how fit. We have a live trading and live training. I do live training every day, and I record the majority of them and then post it on the website for you to watch later. I have a Discord room. In this Discord room, I post some charts, some news, call outs, training, trades, and just sometimes we just go in there and chat about what we think about what the market's going to do or whichever, and try to help each other. So there's a lot of different people in there that has different insight. And so we just sit and talk about what we think is going to happen. A lot of people will post different things, charts or so forth. Maybe a news event that I'm not aware of, they'll post something about it. So it actually helps. The Discord, we're not in there just to be talking all day long or anything. We're in there just trying to give information about what's going on. So with that, your indicators, here's a few samples of them. Here's the bots that we use and some videos and so forth. You click right here to lease the Ninja Suite, and when you go into there, you'll go into your shopping cart. But it does a really good job. If you need a funded account, if you don't have all the money to put in your account, which you really don't need a lot to trade with the bots and so forth, but we have 3 different funded accounts here that you can choose from, and probably they all work really well. They all have their pros and cons. Here's some information about each one of them, and you can read through that and see which one best fits you. Here's some coupons that you can use. With Earn to Trade, you have to click right here to get that coupon. With UProfit, you click on here and put your coupon in, and then Apex, you click here and then put your coupon in there. Our bots will work with all 3 accounts, and coming this week, we will have the bots that will trade multiple accounts at the same time. So you'll just be able to select in it which accounts that you want to trade and so forth, and whenever the bot's running, it will automatically trade those other accounts. So it'll help you out. But if you have any questions or anything, you can always go up to the contact page. And I had a glitch on my contact and I wasn't getting my messages for a week. That has been resolved. So if you have sent a message and I haven't responded, it's not that I'm ignoring, it is that I didn't get it. So you can put in your information here, send it to me. It does work now. I'd be more than happy to work with you and answer all your questions and so forth. Back on the home page, there's a lot of different things that you can choose from. The Ninja Suite, this is our nice little Ninja logo that we came up with in the last week. Let me know if there's anything I can do for you. The bots do a very good job. They're making money daily, and all you have to do is just get them turned on with the settings that we provide, and you should be in pretty good shape. Again, they do work with a funded account or your just regular live account, whichever one you want. Let me know how I can help, and we'll go from there. Have a great day.